Hi everybody, how are y'all doing today? All my gardener friends, I'm so blessed that y'all came back to watch me some more. I had a question on how do I know when I've watered the buckets of the potatoes too much or not enough? I don't have a trick. My trick is, it's called a doctor meter. And what it does, it tells you, and let me show you what it looks like. This is the doctor meter. And what it does, it tells you when it's dry, when it's moist, and when it's wet. This is how I find out if I need to water my buckets. This is how I know to water my buckets. Because like I told you, I water them once a week on Sundays unless it's rained. Now just because it rained doesn't mean it rained enough. So what I do, I go outside, I insert this in, the little tip in, and it will tell me if I need to water my potatoes. If I don't water them on Sunday, and it's very, very hot, then I may go out there like on Wednesday and just insert the tip in and see what the meter registers to see if we need to water them. Remember the thing that I told you whenever we were doing the potatoes was you don't want to overwater your potatoes. If you overwater your potatoes, then they will rotten and then you'll have no potatoes. You'll have like a mush down in the bucket. I have done that. This is my third try on potatoes. Well, actually my fourth. My first try was really bad. My potatoes were nothing but mush because I did water them too much. The second try, I don't think I watered them enough. Again, no potatoes. It was like nothing but a big old mess of manure that stunk so bad we couldn't even stand smelling it when we harvested them. Last year was my first year to finally have potatoes. So don't get discouraged is what I'm trying to say whenever you're planting your potatoes. Don't get discouraged. If they don't work out the first time, maybe the second time, it may take a third time. But remember, things with God come in threes. So the third time is not a bad thing. It may be discouraging and it's aggravating, but it's a learning process. So right now we're going to go outside and I'm going to show you how to use this meter. And then at the end, I'm going to add this meter into my Amazon account in the description down below. Just look down there. I do try to add as much as I can. I do apologize. I haven't put my buckets out there that I got. Actually the bags, the potato bags, or I think they're planting bags is what they're called. But I will add them to my Amazon account today. That way, if you would like to buy some, you can go out there. I don't get any royalties or anything from it. It's just a thank you for you for coming to my channel and watching me. But in the meantime, let's go outside. And let me show you how this meter works. And if I forget to tell you, thank you so much for following me and subscribing to my YouTube channel and my Facebook. I appreciate y'all very much. This helps me grow. That way I can get word out to other people on things that work, things that don't work. Y'all are gonna be amazed to see what the potatoes look like right now. Trying to keep y'all pretty steady. As you can tell, look at all the green, guys. Doesn't it look great? We're not gonna cover it yet because we have one more week before we're up to the next stage. So we're gonna hang tight. But look how they look. See how they look really, really dry? And remember I told you don't want to overwater your potatoes? Let's try the meter. Because right now, as you look at it, it looks dry, right? Look at the meter. This is how I know that there is moisture under the top. Just because the top looks dry does not mean it's dry. It is very, very moist down in it. If you want to, we'll try another bucket. Just to show you. Let's try this one. This one looks dry too, right? Oh, look, we have some potatoes coming up. How cool. Let's put this in the middle and look at that. It's still moist. As long as it's not in dry, we're good. I like it a little bit wetter, but that's okay. You see, the farther down in the bucket that we go, the wetter it is. And also, like I told you, these, you can feel the side. That's why I like these containers. You can feel the moisture in there. Like I said, you can't judge it by the top of the bucket. you have to use your little doctor meter here. And when you use your doctor meter, it will show you that there's moisture in it. Don't water it, because if you overwater it, the potatoes will rotten. This is Robin, back to my roots living, and I'll see you next time. Remember, God loves you, and so do I. Bye, y'all.